Hello and welcome to another tutorial for WeatherBlender. Today we talk about areas. We will cover the various components within an area and describe the role in the weather ecosystem. Areas allow for interaction with other worldly entities. This opens up possibilities to create a dynamic experience while exploring an area, varying the lighting depending on day-night effects, as well as allowing you to connect wind and climate data to affect other areas of gameplay. Let's look at the Unity Inspector to see what we can do with them. The Unity Inspector shows the following. The parent object has a script called the Area Manager. This component allows you to bind any colliders that are the children of this game object. It also has a reference to the Weather Conditions Manager and the Weather Light Manager. First off, there's the Trigger component. The trigger simply activates an area whenever it collides with a specified object. You can have multiple triggers under the same game object and also multiple triggers on the same game object. Next up is the light. The light takes in a light source, which can be any kind of Unity light object, and allows you to control it dynamically via the weather state's colors. Lastly, there is the Conditions Manager. The Weather Conditions Manager stores these variables locally for this area. Now, each area can have its specified minimum and maximum temperature, setting even the wind force and damping the wind's direction. Without the damper, it will accept all vector 3D values, but with the damper active you can choose to damp the wind force in the y-axis direction. Lastly, there is the Conditions Manager, and this stores the temperature in the area, the humidity and the wetness, normalized between 0 and 1, the wind force and the wind direction as we described earlier. For your convenience, these are already set up for you. All you need to do is drag the prefab into the scene, and that creates a new area. You need to hook up the area to be able to use it. In order to use an area, you could choose to forego all the triggers and activate it through code. There's a public API which allows you to do so easily. If you do not want to code for whatever reason, we will cover how to do this without any code in next tutorials. This concludes our session, but if you have any problems, please leave a comment below. Also, be sure to follow us on Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.